Jai Hind everyone, I am Prabhat Kumar and I welcome you all to PYQ Academy. In today's video, I am going to provide you the solution of science portion of the recently conducted examination of UPSC, that is CISF AC LDCE examination 2022. So let's move on to the questions. The first question is, which one of the following metals is mixed with gold to provide strength to the jewelry? So it is a very easy question. It is directly, you can find the reference directly in the NCERT of class 10 chapter 3. So where you can see pure gold known as 24 karat gold is very soft. It is therefore not suitable for making jewelry. It is alloyed with either silver or copper. So our answer should be either silver or copper. So copper is option D is our answer. Next question. Infectious diseases can spread through various means such as air, water, food, insects and vectors. Which one of the following disease does not have vectors? Okay, so first understand the meaning of vector. So a vector can be any thing. It can be animal or any other living any other agent which can spread. Okay, so you can see here these animals carry infectious agents from a sick person to another potential host. These animals are thus intermediaries and are called as hosts. Okay, the commonest vectors we all know are mosquitoes. Okay, so let's see which of the following disease can be spread through vectors. Or so Zika, it is caused by mosquito. Okay, dengue is caused by mosquito and malaria also is caused by mosquito. So all these three can be transmitted with the help of vector, but AIDS, it doesn't need any vector, rather it is transmitted sexually, or other than sexually it can be transmitted through blood to blood contact. Okay, and also from an infected mother to her baby during pregnancy through breastfeeding. So yes, so our answer is option A. Next question. In which one of the following kingdoms would you place an organism which is eukaryotic, multicellular, non-photosynthetic? So it is directly given in NCERT. So the organism from the Animalia kingdom possess all three qualities. So they are eukaryotic, that means they have membrane bounded cell organelles. They are multicellular and heterotrophic, that means they cannot make their own food. So our answer is option D, Animalia. Next question. Which one of the following cell organelles is not lined by membrane? So let's come to first lysosome. So in NCERT you can find it. Lysosomes are membrane bounded. So no, this is not our answer. Then nucleus. So you know that nucleus has a double layer covering called nuclear membrane. So yes, it also means yes, it has membrane bounded. Means lined by membrane. It is also lined by membrane. And coming to Golgi apparatus, the Golgi apparatus, first described by Camille Golgi, consists of a system of membrane bounded vesicles. So it also consists membrane bounded organelles or lined by membrane. So we are left with our option ribosome. So our answer is ribosome, option B. Next question. What is the time difference between the actual sunset and apparent sunset? This you will also find directly in NCERT. The sun is visible to us about 2 minutes before actual sunrise and 2 minutes after the actual sunset. So the time difference here should be about 2 minutes. Answer is option C. Next question. The blue color of the sky and the reddening of the sun at sunrise and sunset are caused due to phenomenon of. So you will also find this in NCERT. The phenomenon is known as scattering of light. You can see here the blue color of sky, the color of water in deep sea, the reddening of sun at sunrise and the sunset are all due to scattering of light. So our answer is option D. Next question. which one of the following materials cannot be used to make lens? Okay, so I didn't took any reference, but the logic here is that lens is something through which refraction happens, and refraction can only happen through a transparent material. Okay, so here water is transparent, glass can be transparent, plastic can also be transparent, but clay cannot be transparent. So our answer is option D. Next question, diopter is SI unit of, so SI unit of power of lens is diopter, directly given in NCERT. So answer is option C, power of lens. Next question, the image formed by a plane mirror. So the image formed by a plane mirror, you can see here, is erect, it is virtual. So that is always virtual and erect. So this is correct, and all the three are wrong options, and this you will find in class 7 NCERT. Okay, so our answer is option A. Next question, dyes in black ink can be separated by. So generally the color pigments are separated by a method known as chromatography. It is given in the NCERT of class 9 chapter 2. This process of separation of components of a mixture known as chromatography. Chroma in Greek means color. So this technique was first used for separation of colors, so this name was given. Okay, you can see here the applications of chromatography are to separate color in a dye. So our answer should be option D. Next question, the main constituent of atmospheric air are oxygen and nitrogen. So what is the composition of oxygen and nitrogen? So this is a very easy question. In fact, each and everyone know that 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen are there in the atmosphere. So no need for further explanation. Next question, which one of the following substances shows sublimation behavior or property at standard temperature and pressure? So it is also directly taken from a paragraph in NCERT of class 9 chapter 1. So have you heard of solid CO2? It is stored under high pressure. Solid carbon dioxide gets converted directly to gaseous state on degrees of pressure to 1 atmosphere. Okay, so and we know that if a solid is directly converted into gas, then this process is known as sublimation. Okay, so here we are left with answer option A, solid CO2. Suppose if you don't know this, means this you haven't gone through this paragraph, so you can solve. If you must know that sublimation is conversion of direct conversion of solid into gaseous. So first we need to eliminate all these two liquid options. Now we are left with iron and solid CO2. So iron cannot go through sublimation, this is well known fact. So we are left with only option A. So in this way we can also get the answer. Next question, which one of the following compounds is present in antacid tablets or medicine which are used to cure indigestion and acidity in the stomach? So this concept you will get in the chapter acid and bases, okay, of class 10. But of the all 4 options, none of them are given in NCERT. In NCERT, the examples of antacid are given as first is baking soda, okay, and second is magnesium hydroxide. So none of these 2 options are there. So now we have to reach the answer. Actually the answer is option D, aluminum hydroxide. So you can find this answer by elimination technique, that sodium, potassium, lithium, all the 3 are from the same group, they are having valency 1. This is from different, so our answer is option D. Although this is the correct answer, I just gave you just a logic to eliminate the options. Okay, next question, what is the state of matter in a glowing fluorescent tube? Directly taken from NCERT. So you will find a picture in class 9 chapter 1's last page. The plasma state consists of sulfur energetic and superexcited particles These particles are in the form of ionized gases. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. That means the fluorescent tube has the matter inside in plasma state. So our answer is option C. So we are done with the science questions, and if I have to rate the toughness level, so I would rate it as easy to moderate, because almost all the questions are easy to solve if you are gone through NCERT of only class 9 and 10. Okay, only class 9 and 10 is sufficient. So it has been seen that the questions of science, geography, mathematics, these are some, also polity, these are some easy portions. Okay, so you should go for preparation of these topics first, because topics like history are little bit tough, okay, and more factual. So rather going for history, prepare these topics first, because these are scoring portions. Now you can join the Telegram channel PYQ Academy for the PDF of this lecture, and if you want to connect with me on different social media platforms, so I had given the given the link in the description box. Okay, and you can message me for any kind of doubt regarding the examination. Okay, so if you like the video, then do share it to all the people who are preparing for it. So thank you so much for watching PYQ Academy.